I heard it on Ryan's stream first. I didn't mean to hit that button. I meant to just cover the speaker, but here we are.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for central Putnam County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Bureau County in north-central Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Thunderbird, or 7 miles west of Hennepin, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be
it's right there.
Hennepin, Spring Valley, Depew, Granville, Bureau Junction.
It's all the way down there. I thought it was over here. So right there.
Entered around 9:50 p.m. Dolville around 9:55 p.m. This includes Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 7. Take cover now. Move to a basement or
kind of feels like it.
room on the lowest floor.
So glad we're daylight time right now, though.
Avoid windows.
See, the lightning strike just affected the signal. That's kind of cool.
In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yeah, I know.
Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The following is a